construction and renewable energy solutions. As the world moves towards sustainable energy, solar power has become a popular choice for both residential and industrial applications. Whether you're planning to install solar panels at home, on a farm, or in a parking lot, maintaining these systems is essential for optimal performance. In this blog, we'll dive into the key aspects of solar panel maintenance, the construction of solar farms, residential solar solutions, solar car parking shades, and even touch on wind energy production. Solar panel maintenance. Keep your system running efficiently. One of the most important factors to ensure the long-term efficiency of your solar panels is regular maintenance and cleaning. Over time, dirt, dust, bird droppings, and debris can accumulate on the surface, reducing their efficiency. Here's how you can keep them in top shape. Why solar panels need cleaning. Solar panels need to be exposed to sunlight for optimal performance. Even a small layer of dirt or dust can block sunlight and cause a significant drop in energy output. Regular cleaning ensures that your panels are working at their maximum potential. How often should you clean solar panels? Ideally, solar panels should be cleaned at least twice a year. However, the frequency might increase if you live in an area prone to heavy dust, pollution, or bird activity. Best practices for cleaning solar panels. Use soft brushes or a low-pressure hose to remove dirt and grime. Avoid harsh chemicals. Plain water or a mild detergent is usually enough. Check for cracks or damage while cleaning, as broken panels can severely impact efficiency. Consider hiring professionals if you're uncomfortable climbing on the roof or lack the proper tools. Residential solar panel installation. Powering homes efficiently. More homeowners are switching to solar to reduce their energy bills and carbon footprint. Here's a quick guide on what goes into installing residential solar systems. Steps in residential solar panel installation site. Evaluation. A technician assesses your home's energy needs, roof structure, and sunlight exposure. Choosing solar panels. Options range from monocrystalline to polycrystalline depending on budget and energy needs. Installation. Once the panels are chosen, mounting systems are fixed onto the roof, and the panels are wired into the home's electrical system. Connecting to the grid. Most residential solar systems connect to the electrical grid, allowing homeowners to sell excess power back through net metering. Benefits of residential solar: lower energy bills, increased property value. Eco-friendly, reduce your carbon footprint, energy independence. Construction of solar farms. Scaling. Solar for industrial use. Solar farms are large-scale installations designed to generate massive amounts of energy, typically for utilities or industrial purposes. The construction of solar farms involves careful planning and design. Designing solar farms location. Choose a location with plenty of sunlight and minimal shading. Land preparation. The land must be leveled, and infrastructures such as roads and fencing must be established. Panel installation. Thousands of panels are installed on mounting systems, connected through a central inverter system. Grid integration. Solar farms typically supply energy directly to the grid, providing clean energy for communities and industries. Challenges and benefits. Challenges: land use, environmental concerns, and financing are some of the hurdles. Benefits: solar farms offer a scalable solution to clean energy production, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Solar car parking shades, dual purpose of energy and protection. A growing trend in commercial and residential properties is the construction of solar car parking shades. These systems offer a dual benefit of protecting vehicles from the sun and generating solar energy. How solar car parking shades work. Solar panels are installed on overhead structures in parking lots. These panels provide shade for parked cars and generate electricity that can be used to power the building, charge electric vehicles, or feed into the grid. Advantages: maximize space use. You're generating energy without consuming additional land. Car protection. Cars are shielded from UV rays, keeping them cooler in hot weather. Sustainable energy. Solar parking structures can offset energy costs for nearby buildings or electric vehicle charging stations. Wind energy production, a partner to solar energy. Although this article focuses on solar energy, it's worth mentioning the role of wind energy in the renewable energy landscape. Many large-scale renewable energy projects, such as those in the Midwest US or Northern Europe, combine solar and wind energy for 24/7 power generation. How wind energy complements. Solar power day versus night. Solar energy is most effective during the day, while wind energy often peaks at night, providing continuous power. Seasonal variation. Wind and solar energy outputs vary seasonally, complementing each other to maintain a steady energy supply. Benefits of wind energy. No emissions, reduced dependency on fossil fuels. Job creation in the green energy sector. The future of renewable energy is bright. From residential solar installations to the construction of massive solar farms and car parking shades, solar power is rapidly becoming a cornerstone of the global energy transition. Coupling solar energy with wind power can create a sustainable energy grid that meets modern needs while protecting the environment. Whether you're a homeowner considering solar panels or a business looking to invest in solar parking structures, now is the time to jump into renewable energy. And remember, proper maintenance ensures that your solar system will keep powering your world efficiently for years to come. For more insights on solar and renewable energy, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.